If you're getting Autocad error 3051, don't worry. This usually means Autocad is hitting a file access problem, which is basically an access denied error. It can happen when Autocad can't open, read, or write to a drawing file, a configuration file, or even a temporary lock file. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it step by step so you can get back to work without guessing. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Let's jump in. First, let's check the file permissions. This is one of the most common reasons Autocad throws error 3051. Go to the folder where your drawing file is saved, then right-click the folder and choose Properties. From there, open the Security tab. Here, you want to make sure your user account has the correct permissions. If full control is not enabled, click Edit, select your username, and allow full control if possible. Apply the changes and close the window. If Windows was blocking the folder, this alone may solve the issue right away. Next, try running Autocad as an administrator. Sometimes Autocad needs elevate permissions to access protected folders or write temporary data. To do that, right-click the Autocad icon on your desktop or in the Start menu, then select Run as administrator. If a permissions issue was causing the error, Autocad may open normally now. This is especially useful if the problem appears after a Windows update or when working in restricted folders. Now let's look at the file itself. If you are opening the drawing from a server, shared drive, or USB device, the file may be marked as read only. To fix that, right-click the .dwg file, choose Properties, and look near the bottom for the read-only box. If it is checked, uncheck it, then click OK. After that, try opening the file again in Autocad. A read-only file can stop Autocad from saving changes or writing the data it needs, which can trigger error 3051. If the error still appears, the next step is to clear temporary files. Close Autocad completely first, then press Windows key +R, type %temp% and press Enter. This opens your temporary files folder. Here, delete the files you can remove safely. If Windows tells you that some files are in use, skip those and continue. The goal is to clear out any stuck temporary data or lock files, including files that may be related to .dwl activity. These can sometimes remain behind and interfere with normal file access. After that, it's worth checking your antivirus or firewall settings. In some cases, security software can block Autocad from writing to its own files or folders. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall just long enough to test whether the error disappears. If Autocad works once security software is off, then you'll need to add Autocad to the allow list or exclusions rather than leaving protection disabled. Always turn your antivirus back on after testing. If you've gone through all of these steps, one of them should usually fix the problem. To recap, first check folder permissions, then run Autocad as administrator, unlock any read-only files, clear temporary files, and finally test your antivirus or firewall. These steps solve most Autocad error 3051 issues because the problem is usually tied to file access rather than the drawing itself. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the channel and tells me to make more Autocad troubleshooting guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.